First time mo bang mag-withdraw sa BDO pero hindi mo pa alam ang gagawin? Do not worry, this content is right for you. If you are interested, please keep on watching. Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? By the way, I am Sia Cardino, a Kapampangan content creator, and in this channel, I talk about finance, travel, education, tutorials, and anything about millennial life. If you're interested on these topics, mag-subscribe na kayo and be part of our growing millennial fam. For today's content, I'll be showing you how to withdraw cash from BDO ATM. Let's start! Ganito po yung itsura ng ating mga BDO ATM card. Kung meron laman yung BDO ATM card mo, pwede kang mag-withdraw sa alinmang ATM. Basta meron siyang logo na banknet. For example, wala pong available na BDO ATM. Tapos, may nakita kayo from the other banks na available. Pwede naman po ang pag-withdraw from the other ATMs as long as meron silang logo na banknet. Mostly naman guys, yung mga ATM dito sa Pilipinas ay member ng banknet. And makikita nyo kaagad sa ATMs na meron silang logo na banknet. First, kunin nyo po yung ATM card ninyo. Pagkatapos po, ipapasok po natin ang sagwa naman ng term. I-insert po natin yung ATM card dito sa card slot ng ATM. Ganito po dapat yung position ng ATM card ninyo. Laging mauuna yung BDO, yung name niya, and then sa baba is yung type ng card mo. Either MasterCard siya or Visa. Heto guys, ganito dapat lagi yung ATM card ninyo kapag ini-insert nyo sa mga ATMs. So guys, heto po yung actual video. Heto yung BDO ATM. And then, i-insert ko na yung ATM card ko. Tignan nyo, mauuna dito yung BDO name. And then sa baba, yung Visa or MasterCard. After inserting guys, ganito na po yung lilitaw sa screen. Kung magwi-withdraw ka, of course, kailangan mong pindutin yung withdraw cash. Tapos guys, dalawa lang po yung lilitaw sa withdraw cash. Either savings or current. If savings account po yung card natin, pipindutin natin yung savings. Kung ayaw sa savings guys, pwede nyong itry yung current. Just repeat the steps yung kaninang sinabi natin. Next na lilitaw guys ay yung mga amount to withdraw. So pwede kayong mamili sa mga given amount or kung wala sa amount na to, pwede mong i-enter. Kapag tapos nang ma-input yung amount, yung PIN naman yung i-input mo. Kapag correct yung PIN mo guys, tatanungin ka if gusto mo ng printed receipt. Meron lang tayong yes or no dyan. Kung yes, okay yes. Kung no, ayaw mo ng resibo, no. After that, ang unang lalabas sa ATM ay yung ATM card mo. Susunod na po yung cash. Nasa ilalim po yung pera. Followed by the receipt. Before umalis sa ATM, make sure na tama po yung bilang ng winidraw ninyo. Yun lang po guys. Ganun lang po kasimpleng mag-withdraw ng cash sa BDO ATM. If you have more questions guys, do not hesitate to drop a comment. Thanks for watching. You stay safe, sane, and strong this pandemic. Love lots!